Good afternoon. This is call number 2008-73142 in the interest of Devonica and David Tyler. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. Right hand, ma'am. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
I do.
All right, ma'am. Please state your name and your relationship to the children.
You said ma'am, or did you say me?
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am. Okay, yes, sir. I'm the mother, the mother of the children. Do I have to show video?
Ma'am, the name? Yes, you do. Your name?
Dana Hummins.
Okay. Sir, your name and your relationship to the children.
David Tyler, my father.
All right. And representing the state of Texas Attorney General's office.
Andrea Eoff.
We have a petition to establish parent-child relationship, suit for modification, motion to confirm support or marriage. What are we doing today, Ms. Eoff?
Your Honor, the parties in this case have an ongoing dispute over custody of the children and conservatorship provisions. And so we would like to ask this case be referred to the district court and the parties ordered to DRO mediation.
All right, then this matter is transferred to the 257th District Court and DRO mediation is ordered. Anything further, Ms. Eoff?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Are you going to instruct these people?
Yes, Your Honor. I was going to wait for you to let us know that we were excused.
Oh, you are excused.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Hummins and Mr. Tyler, we are finished for today. You guys have already done your mediation registration. Make sure you send me that screenshot and you are free to go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, this is cause number 2020-39526 in the interest of Isaiah Johnson. Seems to be a Uniform Interstate Family Support Act petition. Please identify yourself for the record.
Yes, Judge. Luis Regla for the Office of the Attorney General.
All right, court will note that the custodial parent, the non-custodial parent, Gary Lee Johnson Jr. is not present. He was served under Rule 106 at his usual place of residence, 23115 Ludgate Drive in Spring, Harris County, Texas. And he has not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Mr. Regla?
That's correct, Judge.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Judge. And Judge, my internet feed is kind of a problem right now. Apparently, it's cutting in and out. I'm going to turn off my video and see if that helps.
All right.
Make the audio a little bit better. Okay, Judge, if you can hear me.
Yes.
Okay, so Judge, I'll present the case now. The mother is appearing through her general testimony attached to the Uniform Interstate Family Support Act petition. In her general testimony, she testifies that the father did appear at the hospital when the child was born. He signed some documentation at the hospital, though we don't have an acknowledgement of paternity. He also visited with the child after the child was born. And the mother testifies that this is the only man that she was with. No one else could possibly be the father. And she also testified through her general testimony that he's provided support, child support for this child in the amount of $1,200. The mother is requesting retroactive child support. However, she's requesting farther back than we can do in the state of Texas, back to 2013. Therefore, in calculating support, Judge, for retroactive support, I'm only looking backwards at 4 years from the date of filing, so July of 2016. Using information reported directly from Mr. Johnson's employers to the state of Texas, the state was able to verify that Mr. Johnson is fully employed and he is earning this year in 2022. He earned a gross income of $28,761 in 6 months, averaged out to $4,793 monthly. There is one child in this case, and using the general testimony from the mother, states requesting the court establish this man as a child's biological father. There are, using guideline calculations and the information I was able to verify, there are child support orders and medical support orders for 2 other children for Mr. Johnson. So one child this case, 2 other children would be guideline 16% towards child support. The mother in her general testimony testifies that there is health insurance available through her employer, and that it costs, just to add the one child in this case to her employer's health insurance, $136 biweekly. That averages out to $295 per month for this mother to add this child to her employer's health insurance. Applying that health insurance cost to the father's net income would result in approximately $3,769.96. Guideline child support for one child this case, 2 other cases through court orders is 16%. States requesting the court to continue to allow the mother to carry health insurance for this child directly through her employer. For the court to order this father to pay the mother $295 for the cost of the medical support beginning October 1st for adding this child to her employer's health insurance. The mother, through her general testimony, made no statements about dental support reimbursements, or dental support costs. So those are not being used in these calculations. Guideline child support of 16% will result in $589 per month to begin October 1st. The mother in her general testimony, although she, as I said earlier, she's requesting retroactive back to 2013. I'm only doing calculations going back to 4 years from date of filing, so July of 2016. From that day through today's court date, using information reported directly from the father's employers in 2022, as I stated earlier, the father earned $28,761 in the first 6 months, and guideline child support would be 16%. In 2021, the father earned $61,654, guideline child support at 16%. In 2020, the father earned $41,412. For that year, guideline child support in that year would have been 17.5%. 2019, the father earned $40,547. Guideline child support is 17.5% in 2019. In 2018, the father earned $17,824. Guideline child support 17.5%. Then in 2017, using only minimum wage at 17.5%. And in 2016, minimum wage at 17.5%. The total would be $32,364 from today's court date back to July of 2016. However, the mother, through her general testimony, says that the father has already sent her $1,200 in 2018 for back child support. So giving the father credit for those $1,200 results in $31,164. And I'm requesting the court order the father to pay $300 a month in retroactive child support payments beginning October 1st, 2022. The mother does include in her general testimony that she is requesting retroactive medical support in the amount of $6,000 going backwards. She's requesting the retroactive medical support judgment. I'm requesting the court grant that with the monthly payment of $80 a month to begin October 1st, 2022. There is no testimony about current dental support, judge, so I'm not including that in this court order. Judge, I believe this court order complies with the general testimony and the laws of the state of Texas, and I'm asking the court to approve of this default order against Mr. Johnson.
Okay, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.